Hey, what's up, tech fans? We're just a few months away from the official launch of Samsung's highly anticipated Galaxy S25 series, and we've just gotten our first real glimpse of these powerhouse phones. Today, we're diving into all the latest leaks and rumors, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. So let's jump right in. According to a reliable source, Exynos, a well-known Samsung tipster, recently shared an image on X, formerly Twitter, giving us a sneak peek of three Galaxy S25 models, the S25, S25 Plus, and the much-talked-about S25 Ultra. The photo shows these phones lying on a desk, casually resting on a keyboard, with each device donning a plastic screen protector. Now, here's the exciting part. The image confirms some of the design changes we've been hearing about, especially when it comes to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This model is set to ditch those sharp corners that we saw in the S24 Ultra, opting for smoother, more comfortable edges. It's all about that premium feel and a better grip. But wait, there's more. Design and display updates. Unfortunately, Exynos didn't share more pictures of the phones, so we're still waiting to see the back of the devices and get a closer look at the camera arrays. However, the smoother corners on the Ultra definitely seem like a solid upgrade. As for the S25 and S25 Plus, they also look sleek, though their corners remain slightly more angular compared to the Ultra. What's under the hood? Now, let's talk performance. Rumors suggest that Samsung might shake things up by using the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset for the S25 and S25 Plus, while the S25 Ultra is expected to stick with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This could mean some interesting performance differences between the models. New features? But that's not all. There's also talk of satellite communication coming to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, adding a whole new layer of functionality. Imagine being able to stay connected even in remote areas with limited cell service. How cool is that? When can we expect it? As for the software, all S25 models are expected to come with Android 15 and the newly redesigned One UI 7, which Samsung hinted will be available in public beta by the end of 2024. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 series so far? Which model are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let us know. And hey, if you enjoyed today's breakdown, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech news and updates.